Here's a tip on how you could go ahead and take something like a Novation Launchpad and add effects with the click of a button. So you see right here, I'm just pressing down the button and this effect is activated. But when I turn it off, when I let go, it turns off. There is a way to keep it on or active, which I'm going to talk about in the video. First of all, let's talk about how you can activate the effect. So let's go in here, do a effect. I don't know. Why am I even thinking about what kind of effect? Let's say distortion. Let's say squeeze. Squeeze. Yeah, okay. So you can hear this type of weird effect once I have the squeeze deactivated. But you can right click, link to controller, then simply press on the button that you want to use. So look here, press it, yeah, let go, that effect turned off. What if you want them to be as a way where you press it and it stays on, and if you press it, it turns off? That is possible. So let me go ahead and right click, go to link to controller again, but look over here, it says mode default. So y'all see this, click on this and then select the button that says latch. You can see in the description it says press again to switch. This is a type of MIDI that, you know, would work with type of things like this where you want to trigger on and off. By default, FL Studio is trying to make up its own assumptions on what type of trigger it is. For example, the keyboard itself is a note that goes on and off, which is a hold. So in my case, I set it to the third one. You can tell I changed the orders of the slots here. By the way, if I were to move this down here, it's the same button. I just changed it afterwards just to show y'all. So let's just go ahead and switch this to latch. So this time when I press it, it stays on. Which one? Okay, yeah, that nasty thing. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. That's the biggest tip ever. You know, well, I can show you another